Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2020 Ford Transit Connect. This is a short wheelbase 5-door small van coming to you in white. This one has 20,000 miles upon the clock. Comes with a reversing camera, parking sensors, cruise control, hands-free calling, voice assist, a heated driver's seat, Bluetooth, 6-speed manual transmission as well. Just here as well, this is a 3-seated cloth-lined van. And just to show you the load area in the back, it is a pristine felt line interior lit. It is very pleasant to look at, along with cargo rings to turn on any load you may want to carry. I will just show you this space again from the rear two doors. And may you also notice that this does come with a clean, undented, unscratched bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. And if you would like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or why not come down to our site in Padworth, where you can look at this van and many others as well.